how to update ANP with this data not on device. So make sure that you have a new update. So for example, like this one, data not device, we have a new update. So this PDF file, if you can see here, is the old publication. So if you can see this ANP 55, so it's still in 2020. Then we will see if there's a new update. So if you can see ANP 55, there's a new update. You see 2025, before it's 2020. So we must download this one. So this ANP 55 we must delete. Then we put this new one. So refresh. So if you can see ANP 55, so 2025 already. So we go to updating. So I will show you how to update this data not on device here in the ANP. So first, go to tools, this one, then go to load ANP, and after that one, go to next, then go to media, then next. Then after that one, if you can see data not on device, this ANP 55, just highlight this one. Then after that one, go to next. Then select location of your updated ANP. So we will browse. So it's here. I save here this publication folder. So ANP, then okay. Then after that one, go to next. Then load ANP. And after that one, downloading. Then if you can see, ANP successfully loaded. So we will see here in the bookshelves. Then if you can see, no more data on device. So now it's updated. So that's all. Thank you.